what's up, guys? In this video, I will show you a really high potential cryptocurrency project that you guys need to go ahead and check out. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Bots. A link to this will be in the description of the video. It is a leader in the development of cutting-edge technological solutions based on the blockchain fundamentals that provides a wide range of services from the development implementation of blockchain technologies to the product analysis. Now, the company specializes in creating applications and solutions on the Bots platform, and it includes issuing tokens on platforms just like Ethereum and developing complex smart contracts. Additionally, Bots Inc. offers integration services with other blockchain platforms when needed, and it ensures comprehensive and customized solutions for their clients. So in the realm of Bitcoin mining, Bots Inc. provides extensive support, offering repair and backup solutions that minimizes downtime and maximizes the efficiency of crypto mining operations to run smoothly, with services ranging from diagnostics reviews and to rapid response solutions for node malfunctions of other issues. Now guys, Bots Inc. also holds a US patent for proprietary Bitcoin ATM kiosk devices, allowing users to buy and sell Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies without the need for a bank account. So basically, they are revolutionizing how, the utilization of Bitcoin and how you would be able to withdraw or deposit your Bitcoin. So this technology is designed to accelerate the adoption of digital currencies by making cryptocurrency transactions accessible to the general public. So the company is seeking investors to expand the distribution of these ADMs across the entire United States, aiming to place them in retail locations nationwide. So moreover, guys, Bots Inc. is actually advancing algorithmic futures trading with BitGood, which is a high-speed cloud-based platform for digital assets futures trading. So it allows traders to leverage market fluctuations for maximum profit. So the company is also prioritizing data security with ghost drives, and it is a decentralized cloud network that employs advanced encryption, sharding technology, and biometric security. It enables real-time collaboration with secure digital space. And this is an article, guys, that you could go ahead and check out, which talks about Bots Inc. So it appoints Grok. It is an advanced AI developed by XAI, and as its new president, guys, marking a historic shift towards AI-driven corporate leadership. Grok's data-driven decision makes it a real-time analysis that is aiming to enhance efficiency. You can go ahead and check this one out, guys. I will also link this in the description of the video. That way, you can include that in your own research, and you would know what you're getting yourself into, all right? So guys, finally, Bots Cybersecurity offers a comprehensive suite of services to protect critical infrastructure, diagnose vulnerabilities, and prevent cyber threats through advanced penetration testing and a robust web application firewall. So their solution caters to a wide range of systems and provides unmatched protection against cybercrime and data theft. So you can go ahead and check them out as well. There's a ton of information in their website, and I would strongly suggest that you also follow their social media platforms. That way, when they have updates, giveaways, airdrops, anything and everything about this, you will definitely be informed. So we actually checked out the entire website and the things that I feel you guys need to know the most. Stay until the end screen videos. Those videos will definitely be helpful in your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out.